Mandy, thank you so much for inviting us into your beautiful home. Can you tell us a little bit of how you've come to being here?
Yeah, we had a big a 5-bedroom home that we wanted to downsize from, but we wanted to have something brand new. We haven't lost a lot of floor space, but it's right for us because we haven't got the gardens and we haven't got the maintenance. So for us, it's called right sizing.
Yeah, I like that. So in designing your floor plan, was a Troyer a factor in how you designed your rooms?
Yeah, I definitely always thought that I needed, in order to not have so many rooms, I always wanted a wall bed so that we could have the versatility in the room. So then I hunted around and I found Troyer and fell in love with Troyer. So we went down that path.
Yeah, it's a very smart solution for things like that. A room doesn't have to just be a bedroom. Like, for example, if it's a study for Jackets to be able to have his game in, and it works well for you that way.
Yeah, it's perfect because I only work 3 days a week from home, so I don't work Fridays. My visitors always turn up on a Friday, so I just pack up my desk and bring out the bed, and they say it's very comfortable. I haven't slept in it yet myself, but there's good ratings on it.
And how have you found the quality of Troyer products?
Oh, they've been fantastic. They just look nice. They're sleek. They match our rooms perfectly. It's as if they were meant to be there.
Yeah, that's exactly how I felt when I walked in. With your cabinetry and everything, they just look great. They look perfect for the space.
Yeah, I can't rate them higher. People will say to me, "What's the best thing about our house?" And I always say our wall beds.
Wow, that's awesome to hear. I really like that. Mandy, thank you again for inviting us into your beautiful home. You can see Troyer's clearly worked well for you and your smart solutions. And just like Mandy, you can head down to our showroom and see what Troyer products might work well for you in your home, apartment, townhouse, whatever it may be.